Think the silent treatment is just a childish game? You haven't met a Gemini. For anyone else, silence is a punishment. For a Gemini, it's a goddamn strategic masterstroke. It's a language. And if they're speaking it to you, you fucked up. Badly. Here is the first thing you need to understand. A Gemini's silence is never a knee-jerk reaction. It's a calculated, final decision. You think they just woke up and decided not to text you back? No. They've been conducting a full-scale psychological autopsy on you and the relationship for weeks. They've analyzed every word, every broken promise, every half-assed excuse. Their mind, ruled by Mercury, is a supercomputer of human behavior. And you just failed the final exam. Their silence isn't them ignoring you. It's them dismissing you. So, is it manipulation or is it self-defense? The answer is, it's both. It's self-defense first. A Gemini has a nervous system made of crystal. It picks up every frequency, every lie, every shift in energy. Your drama, your negativity, your inconsistency. It doesn't just annoy them. It literally overloads their circuits. So they shut down. They retreat into the one place that's perfectly quiet, their own mind. It's a survival mechanism. But for the person on the receiving end, oh, it feels like manipulation. Because it's psychologically brutal. You're left in a void, with nothing but the echoing memory of your own mistakes. You'll concoct 1,000 stories in your head. Are they hurt? Are they with someone else? Do they just not care? You're trying to solve a puzzle they've already solved and thrown away. And that's where the weaponization happens. They don't have to lift a finger. Your own anxiety will torture you for them. A Gemini's silence is a fortress, and they are never, ever trapped inside it. You are locked out. They are in there, perfectly content. They're reading 3 books at once, planning a business, learning a new language, talking to 10 other people who don't drain their energy. They are not sitting around sad about you. They've already grieved the loss of you while they were still with you. When they go silent, they're not giving you the cold shoulder. They thus simply turned up the heat on their own life and walked away from the dumpster fire you created. And this is the part that kills you. The silence is permanent. This isn't a tactic to get you to beg. They don't want your begging. They don't want your apologies. They want your absence. They have already rewritten the story in their head, and you've been written out. You are a closed chapter, a deleted draft. Trying to get them to break their silence is like trying to get a book to reabsorb a page that has been ripped out and burned. It's not happening. You will realize your loss, not with a bang, but with a deafening, endless quiet. It will hit you at 3 a.m. when you remember they know all your secrets and you have no idea what they're rethinking. That's the revenge. They leave you alone forever with the one person you can't escape, yourself. So the next time a Gemini goes quiet on you, don't ask what you did wrong. You know what you did wrong. Ask yourself why it took them leaving without a word for you to finally hear it. If a Gemini has ever left you in silence, drop your birthday in the comments. Let them find their tribe. And if you're scared of their silence, good, you should be. Now go earn their conversation.